Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a little demonstration on my newly built live trap, which hopefully I'll upload a video soon of the actual squirrels getting caught in it. I'll most likely be using my new XL Spy Point camera with its specially made, it's a stick-on adapter that I made it so that I countersunk some screws in it. So I'll just assemble that, show you how it goes together. It's a little hard doing the one hand. There, and then stick the spring in it. A little rubber stopper. And then we'll put that safety clip around it. Pretty nice camera overall. It's got a pretty good display. It pairs with a phone nicely with Wi-Fi. Might do a video on it, the actual camera itself, one time. For now, I'll power that off and set it aside. Alright, so I'll be using a jar to trigger it, just for demonstration purposes. So, it's got a door with an elastic band, and a hinge, and a stick that comes up with this trigger piece, which I could probably trace and attach a photo in the comments or description or something, so that it would be very easy for everyone. The piece that the trigger sits in is filed away just a bit on the other side. Sorry if it's blurry. And it's got a carrying handle, which was just made out of a strap piece of fabric elastic. And the box itself, here's the door, here's the screen, and there's the camera behind it. So, to set the trap, you just go like this, you put the peanut butter on the actual stick, and just set it like that. And the door is held open. Now, I'm going to remove my Spy Point from back here, which is where it will be sitting later. And set this camera right here. You can see me sticking the jar in right now. And the door is shut, although my finger jammed inside. So it's not too painful. It probably wouldn't squash a squirrel, so no one has to worry, hopefully. Anyway, hopefully next video will be me catching squirrels, or who knows what. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.